my channel. My name is Snigdha, and in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look using just 5 makeup products. This is like a last minute Valentine Day or Galentine Day, whatever you want to call, whatever you want to celebrate, last minute makeup look. So yeah, you can create this beautiful makeup look just using 5 products. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So our first step is getting our skincare done. So I have already did my skincare. Just I will apply some moisturizer right now. So the illuminating moisturizer which I love before makeup is by Belora Paris. It is their illuminating moisturizer. So now I'll go ahead and apply this moisturizer well into my face, because if you have a moisturized skin, your makeup will sit really nicely. So it is really important to apply a very generous amount of moisturizer in your face. So once our moisturization is done, so we will wait for like 1 minute for the moisturizer to sink in into our skin, and then we will move on to our next step. Now moving on to our next step is foundation, or like the base makeup. So I don't want to use any foundation for this look because it is going to be a very simple and wearable look. As this is also a last minute makeup, you might not have the time to apply foundation, blend it well. So for those kind of times, I like using a concealer which also gives a very good coverage. So the concealer I love using is by Maybelline. It is their Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I'm in the shade Caramel. I'll go ahead and apply this concealer wherever I have dark spots or acne marks, or wherever I want to apply basically. Now I'm going to blend this concealer all over my face with this buffing brush. This is a very good coverage concealer which also is very lightweight. You don't feel heavy on the face. So if you don't like applying too much of makeup, this is like a very good alternative to foundation for you. You can see how natural my skin looks. It looks so nice and flawless. I really like to use this concealer as a base. Now our next product is going to be a blush. So for blush, I love to use this NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Pop Quiz. This is like a very good cream moussey consistency and blends very nice on the skin. So I love using this product as a blush. I'll just go ahead and apply the blush in this area. So if you want a lifted look, you will apply the blush in this area of your face, and if you want a fuller, like a cute or like a sun-kissed look, you can apply your blushes in the center of your face connecting to your nose, so it will give like a sun-kissed natural blush look. You can see the difference in my face. My face already looks so lifted right now. Now we'll go ahead and do our eyebrows. For that, I have this Wet n Wild brow pomade. So this comes with a brush here, and here is the pomade. So I usually don't like to use this brush, so I'll take my own angled brush and just define my eyebrows. So if I do a very minimal makeup also, I make sure to do my eyebrows, because doing your eyebrows, your face already looks put together. So if you don't want to do any kind of base makeup, it is completely fine. You can just go ahead, define your brows, put some lipsticks and some mascara, and you'll be good to go. You can see the difference, how I love doing my brows. It instantly makes my face look so much put together and nice. So to do rest of our face, we need a good eyeshadow palette. So this is a neutral eyeshadow palette which I have from iMagic, and I don't think it is available anywhere right now because it's a very old palette, and I have been using this almost every time I do makeup. I love using this palette, but I will link down similar kind of palettes, neutral palettes which is multi-purpose, down below. So if you want to get your hands on a like multi-purpose palette like this, you can definitely check that out. So you can see this palette has glitter shades like foil eyeshadows and neutral colored eyeshadows with a black eyeshadow. So you are sorted for your eyebrows. You can use the brow powder to do your eyebrows. You can do your eyes. You can use for contouring. You can use for setting your eyes. Like everything you will get in this palette. So now I want to define my face a little. So I will take this shade called Profesh, and I will take like an angled brush, and I will like define my jawline a little bit. So let's see how it goes. Now I'm going to blend this line with this angled brush. You can see a really nice chiseled thing which I have created just with this palette. Now for our eye, now I will take the shade called Winky and make it a transition shade, or like set the base with this. Next I will take the shade called Drama, tap the excess, and I will just concentrate on the outer corner of the eyes. Taking a blending brush, I will just blend everything in. Now I'll take the shade Bubble in my ring finger and deposit it in the inner part of my eyes. Again, I'll take the same blending brush and blend everything together. Now what I'll do is I'll create an eyeliner with the black shadow here. So I will take this angled liner and draw a winged liner with it. You can see how a beautiful soft wing liner can be created just using a black eyeshadow. So yeah, that is it. We covered so many things with just this eyeshadow palette. So a neutral eyeshadow palette, I would say, is like a really necessary thing in your makeup kit. Now moving on, let's do our eyeshadow. For that, I have the Volume Lash Paradise eyeshadow, and it is in a very bad condition right now. Like the outer packaging is almost ruined, so yeah, don't mind that. Mascara is one of my favorite makeup product to use. It makes your eyes like so open and really nice and fluttery. I love using mascara, and this is a really good mascara. Now we are on almost in our last steps. Now I have two options for lipstick. So if you don't like wearing bright colors and want to stay neutral, so for that I have this Velvet Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Sandstone. This is from, I picked this up from Miniso, and I really like the shade, and also the formula is quite good. And if you want to wear something red and vibrant, then I have this lipstick in from Belora Paris. This is in the shade Red Hot Kiss number 3. This is their new range of lipsticks, and even I have not tried their formula yet, so this will be my first time to use this formula as well. So yeah, this is the shade. So let's apply the red one and see how do this look turn out. So I think the lips look quite nice, and it is like a really nice blue based lipstick which complements almost all Indian skin tones. I think I really like this shade of lipstick, and I really like how this look turned out. So finishing it off, this is not like a mandatory product, but I really would recommend using this. So what I'm talking about is a setting spray. So I have this 3 AM setting spray, and I recently started using this. It can also be used as a facial mist and also a setting spray. I really love how my skin feels after using this, so I'm definitely going to spritz this on my face right now. So this is going to be like the 6th product. It is like an optional kind of product. I'm just including it. If you want to use it, you can use it, or else you can skip it. Using a setting spray will also make sure like all your products are like blended well together and doesn't look cakey. So yeah, definitely I would recommend, if you have, you can definitely use a facial mist. So yeah, let's go ahead and spritz this on my face. I really love how it feels. So I'll just let it sit on my face for some time, and I will put on my earrings and I will show you the final look. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful for you all, and we have created this beautiful glowy makeup look just using 5 products, and 6 was the option. And also, do you notice the glow on my face? I have not applied any highlighter. This is all because of the setting spray which I have used. I really like it. So yes, so we have officially completed this look using 5 and 6th, the optional one. So we will consider it like 6th product itself. So yeah, that's about it. Spread the love, keep spreading the love, and this is not just about one day. It is about spreading love and kindness throughout the year. I will see you super soon in my next video, and before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.